Hi students, welcome to today's class. In today's class, I will be teaching you comprehensive problem, that is all the adjustments what you have learnt so far, everything together, put together, we will do one sum. That is I will be teaching you question number 24. Already we have had discussing about what are the treatment or what are the adjustments has to be made at the time of admitting a partner. So 5 adjustments have to be made at the time of admission of a partner. What are they? What is the first one? You have to distribute the accumulated reserves, profits, losses, any type of fund is there, all that should be transferred to the old partner's capital account in their old ratio. That is the first one. We have already done. We have learnt about that. Okay. What is the second one? You have to revalue all your assets and liabilities. What is this revaluation? The value of the asset or the value of the liability at the beginning and the value of the asset or value of the liability at the end, both should be compared. If asset increases means it is profit, if asset decreases means it is loss. Same way, if liability increases means it is loss, liability decreases means it is profit. So that is called as revaluation. Third thing what we did, we have to determine the new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio at the time of admission of a partner. Then fourth one, we have already done, we have to treat goodwill, what is the adjustment has to be made at the time of how the goodwill has to be treated at the time of admission of a partner. Then the last one is the adjustment for capital. So all this we have already seen. So totally together, putting everything together, we will be doing one sum. That is question number 24, page number 178. I will read the question. Rajan and Selva are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:1. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2017 is as under. Capital accounts, Rajan 30,000, Selva 16,000, total 46,000, general reserve 4,000, creditors 37,500. Building 25,000, furniture 1,000, stock 20,000, debtors 16,000, bills receivable 3,000, cash at bank 12,500, profit and loss account 10,000. On 1/4/2017, they admit Ganesan as a new partner on the following arrangements. Ganesan brings rupees 10,000 as capital for 1/5 share of profit. Stock and furniture is to be reduced by 10%. A reserve of 5% on debtors for doubtful debts is to be created. Appreciate buildings by 20%. Prepare revaluation account, partner's capital account and the balance sheet of the firm after admission. Now, a balance sheet is given for you in the question. So what is given in the question, you treat it as old balance sheet, and what you are going to prepare, that you treat it as new balance sheet. So what you are asked to prepare first you have to prepare the revaluation account, and then you have to prepare capital account and the new balance sheet after the admission of the new partner. Okay. So revaluation account, already I told you how to prepare, we have already seen how to prepare revaluation. It is very simple. All the losses put it on the debit side, all the profits put it on the credit side, and after preparing the revaluation account, whatever profit or loss whatever you are getting, that you transfer it to the old partners capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. Okay. Question number 24, revaluation account. Write it in the center of the page, use both, it is a ledger, use both the pages. This is debit, rupees, put credit here. Okay. So revaluation account, going to revalue all the assets and liabilities, put the losses on the debit side, all the profits on the credit side. It is very simple. To prepare revaluation account, you have to see only the adjustments whatever is given in the question below the balance sheet. Okay. Only those you have to bring it to the revaluation account. So the first adjustment is the capital brought by Ganesh, that will not come here, it will go to the capital account. Okay. You have to show it only in the capital account. So now go to the next second adjustment. Stock and furniture to be reduced by 10%, reduced by 10%. Stock and furniture both are assets. If asset decreases, it is reduced. So asset decreases. Asset decreases means what is that? It results in loss. So loss is what you have to do. You have to put it on the debit side. So you write here. To stock, reduced by 10%. So what is the value of the stock? See the balance sheet, see the question. Stock is 20,000. Stock is 20,000. So 10% of 20,000 will be how much? 2,000. Next, furniture is also reduced. So that is also asset. Asset decreases means it is loss. Losses means put it on the debit side to furniture account. Okay. See the balance sheet. What is the value of the furniture? Furniture is 1,000 rupees. 10% of 1,000 rupees is 100. Next, reserve of 5% on doubtful debts has to be created. That is on debtors. Okay. Reserve of 5% on debtors for doubtful debts. So you have to create 5% on debtors. That is a loss. So how much is the debtors? See the question. Debtors is 16,000. So 16,000 into 5 by 100. Again it is a loss. To reserve for doubtful debts. So total debtors is 16,000. 5% on that means 5% means it is 800. Understood? So all losses on the debit side. Last one, what is the last adjustment given there? Building is appreciated by 20%. 20% appreciation. Building is an asset. Asset increases means it is what? Profit. Profit means you have to put it on the credit side. Okay. So buildings is increasing by 20%. Asset increases is a profit by buildings account. So 20% is 5,000. It's okay. Put the total here. Credit side is greater, so it results in profit. So you write here 2 profit on revaluation transferred to capital account. So 5,000 minus this 2,900, so that will give you 2,100. So that you must give to the old partners in their old ratio. So Rajan's capital account. The difference is total profit is 2,100, ratio is to 1. So that is 3 by 4. Then Selva's capital account. 2,100 into 1 by 4. So you will get 1,575 and here 525. So if you add both, 2,100 is the total profit. Put the total here, 5,000. Put a circle for the answer. So hope you understood, children. So what you have to do? Assets, these two are assets. Okay, asset is decreasing, it's a loss. Same, you are creating a reserve for doubtful debts, that is also a loss. Buildings is an asset, it is increasing, so it is a profit. So credit side is greater. Find the difference. You are getting profit of 2,100. That 2,100 should be given to the old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. Okay. Next what is asked? You are asked to prepare the capital account. Prepare the capital account. Three partners are there. Right. Rajan, Selva, Ganesan. Rupees. Okay. So here also you write Rajan, Selva, Ganesan. Okay, rupees, rupees, rupees. Okay. Now capital account. Capital account always it will have credit balance. Okay. So first thing, as soon as you open capital account, what you have to do? You have to see the old balance sheet. That is, you have to see the question on the liability side. What is the capital account? That will be for Rajan and Selva, only for the old partners. First, what you must do? Must bring down that. Okay. So by balance brought down. Bring down the balance from the balance sheet, old balance sheet, that is, see the question. 30,000, 16,000 for Ganeshan, put one dash there. Next, see the adjustment. You see the adjustment. The new partner Ganesan, he is bringing capital. Okay, how much he is bringing? See the question. Ganesan brings rupees 10,000 capital. Okay, he is bringing. So money is coming inside. So by bank account, he is bringing 10,000 rupees for his capital. Okay. Next, what you have to see? You have to see the balance sheet. That is the question. In the balance sheet, you have to see whether there is any reserves, any surplus, any profit or any loss. Okay. If profit and loss is given on the asset side, means it is loss. If profit and loss is given on the liability side, means it is profit. So see the question whether there is any reserve, any P&L is given there. Okay. Yes. On the liability side, we have general reserve. Okay. So that general reserve you have to transfer to the old partner's capital account. So by right here, by general reserve account. Okay. So what is the total general reserve given there? 4,000 rupees it is given. Okay. That 4,000 rupees you must given it in the old ratio. What is the old ratio? 3:1. That is 4,000 into 3 by 4, 4,000 into 1 by 4. So divide for the old partners, 3,000, 1,000, new partner nothing. General reserve, total general reserve 4,000 rupees, divide it in the old ratio 3:1. Okay. Then see whether there is any fund or anything given, any P&L given. Yes, profit and loss is given on the asset side. Asset side it is given. If it is given on the asset side, mean it, what is that? It is loss. Okay. Loss means you have to put on the debit side of the capital account. So here you write to profit and loss account. It is given on the asset side. So give to the two old partners, Rajan and Ganesh, Selva. Two old partners, Rajan and Selva. So total 10,000 divided in the ratio of 3:1. So that will be 7,500 and 2,500 for Ganeshan. Put one dash here. Okay. Any other fund, anything is there in the question, that also must come here, but nothing is there. Okay. But we have what? We have revaluation profit. Revaluation profit means you must show here. Revaluation loss means you have to show it on the debit side. Okay. So bring the revaluation profit by revaluation profit. Profit account. What is the revaluation profit? 1,575, 525. Already we have it in the revaluation account. You bring it here. Nothing for the new partner. So how to prepare capital account? Capital account, write all the partners, old partner and the new partner. New partner is bringing money, so you write his name also. As soon as you open the capital account, first thing you have to bring the balance from the old balance sheet, that is from the question, by balance brought down. Then the money brought in by the new partner. Then reserve, general reserve is there already. then revaluation profit, and then profit and loss is given on the asset side, so it is loss. Transfer that also to the old partner's capital account. Now find the total. You will get 34,575. Here we will get 17,525. Here you will get 10,000. Okay, take it to the other side. So write here 2 balance carried down. Okay, find the difference. 27,075, 15,025, then 10,000. So put the total. 10,000, 17,525, 34,575. Okay, now bring this down here. Okay, bring it down here. By balance brought down. So 27,075, 15,025, then 10,000. So this is the capital account. So we finished revaluation account, we prepared capital account. Next, what you have to do, you have to find out you have to prepare the new balance sheet. Okay. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. Liabilities, assets, okay. Now how to prepare this balance sheet? You will go from the asset side. Asset side, you see the question one by one we will do. Okay. So what is the first item given there? Buildings is given there. Okay. Buildings old value is 25,000 and also it has been appreciated. That also we have to show it here. Okay. So first write buildings. Old value is 25,000. 20% it has increased. So add appreciation 5,000 rupees. Add that 30,000 asset value. Next, furniture 1,000 rupees depreciation less depreciation 10%, that is 100, subtract right here 900. Next, stock is 20,000 less it is reduced 10% minus 2,000 So that will give you 18,000. Okay. Next, debtors. Debtors is 16,000 less reserve for doubtful debts. Already we found out 5% reserve, that is 800, subtract, it is also loss, so 15,200. Okay. Next, bills receivable. Bills receivable 3,000. Okay. Then cash at bank, that is 12,500. With that you add Ganesan's capital. He is bringing not 10,000 rupees, he is bringing. When you add that, your cash at bank will increase. So now you are getting 22,500. Okay. With that, assets over. All the assets I have written. Now you come to the liability side. Capital accounts. So now you have to be very careful. What you have to do, you must bring you prepared capital account and you brought down balance you have already in the capital account. So bring that here. So that is 27,075 for Rajan. For Selva also bring it from the capital account, balance brought down, last balance 15,025. Then Ganesan is bringing capital 10,000. So add everything, you will get 52,100. Okay. Anything else is given there in the liability side? Yes, creditors is given. How much creditors? Creditors 37,500. Okay. Now put the total 89,600. So here also $89,600. Okay. Hope you understood, children, how to prepare the balance sheet. Okay. Go to the question, see the balance sheet asset side, buildings is given there, appreciation means you add, depreciation means reduced means you subtract, and any reserve is there, that is also loss, that also you subtract. And then bills receivable is given, cash at bank is given. With that cash at bank, you add up the capital brought in by the new partner. Then you write and write from the capital account what you have prepared already, the capital account balance, last balance, that you bring and put it here. Then creditors is given. With that, put the total. Both the sides are equal. Okay. So hope you understood how to prepare revaluation account, capital account and balance sheet. Thank you.